So, I'm kind of a tool addict. One thing, I don't know how I ever dealt with this, did this shit before without like weld table stuff. Like, I mean, it started with a table, I get the squares, I've got to do the sizes. These clamps are awesome. And then, but now I got this thing. This thing is so awesome. It's a rotisserie. It spins around. You can put shit on it and it turns around while you weld it. Like, so whatever you can do, round, obviously. Like exhaust pipes, you could put it on there with a flange, clamp it, nice weld all the way around. You run it with your cordless drill. So you can adjust the speed and all that, and of course, you know, backwards and forwards. But the other cool thing about it is, pull this pin out and it's got all these adjustments for different angles. Cool thing, it's got all the holes, so it's like weld tape and stuff, so you could even clamp it on the side. And it's really well made. It's got this worm drive gear in there and it spins around and shit. It's like a lazy Susan for welding. The other thing I was thinking what I could do, you set this up here, you can have this rotate. I could probably put a chicken on here. And if I got the heating rose with the oxyacetylene, I could cook it. It'd be like, you can do shop cooking. And you rotate it and weld it. Pretty cool, huh?